Do you want to learn the parts of the plant and the trees in Bisaya?
Well, stick around to the end of this video and we'll teach you them.
Hi, I'm Reancy.
And my name's Gary, and welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel.
So let's start with the parts of the plant.
So guys, let's learn the general word for the plant, which is
Tanum. Plant. Tanum.
plant is tanum. So the first word we're going to teach you today is the word for bud.
Bud is udlut. Udlut. Bud.
Bud is udlut. The next word we're going to teach you is flower. How do we say flower in Bisaya?
Bulak. Flower.
Bulak is flower. Moving on, we have the word for leaf.
Dahon. Dahon. Leaf.
The word for leaf is dahon. Next, we have root. How do we say root?
Gamot. Gamot.
Root is gamot. Our fifth word is seed. How do we say seed?
Liso. Seed. Liso.
The word for seed in Bisaya is liso. The next word we're going to teach you is stem or branch.
Sanga. Sanga.
The word for stem or branch is sanga. So that covers the parts of the plant, and now we've got an extra few for the parts of the tree. The general word for tree is,
Kahoy. Tree. Kahoy.
so if you want to say tree in Bisaya, it is kahoy. So the first part of the tree is bark. How do you say that?
Panit. Panit.
The word for bark is panit. The next word we're going to teach you is trunk.
Puno-an.
Trunk is puno-an. And the last word we're going to teach you is twig. How do we say that one?
Sanga.
The word for twig is sanga. So guys, that was a quick video to teach you the parts of the plant and the tree. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do enjoy our content that we provide you. If there's any content that you'd like us to cover in future videos, please put it in the comment section below, or if we've missed any parts, please put them there and we'll try and answer as many as we can. As always guys, have a great day. That's goodbye from us. Bye.
Bye.